To add Google AdSense to your Wix blog so that you can start blogging and earn money online, you first need to head over to Google AdSense, click on Ads from the left-hand side panel, click on Buy Ad Unit up top, and then create an in-article ad. To do so, include an ad unit name, select the global options if you wish, as well as the styles, such as the font, title, description, background, and Google Optimized styles. Once you're done doing so, click on Save and Get Code at the bottom. As you can see over here, I created 2 in-article blog post ads. To get the code of these, I just click on this Get Code button, scroll down, and click on Copy Code Snippet. Now head over to Wix, click on Blog from the left-hand side panel, and then on Posts. Either select a Wix blog post you've already created to add Google AdSense to it, or click on Create New Post up top to start from scratch. Let's do the second option. Write your blog post as you normally would. This includes adding the title, such as Adding AdSense to your Wix blog, as well as any text you want to include. This is the text of my blog post. Now, to add AdSense to your Wix blog so that you can start earning money online, all you have to do is in the location you want to add the AdSense ad, click the plus button, scroll down, and then click on Wix Monetize with AdSense in this From the Web option. If you don't see this option over here, you may have to add the Wix Monetize with AdSense app to your Wix website. If you don't know how to do that, make sure you check out the previous video I posted. Once you do have that, click on it, click on Edit HTML up top, and then paste your ad code that you copied from Google AdSense in the space provided. Once you're done doing so, click on Save. If you wish, you can also change the width, as well as height, and the alignment. Align left, align center, align right, or wrap text. If you don't want to include this Google AdSense anymore on your Wix blog, click on the Delete button over here. Once you're done creating your Wix blog and adding your Google AdSense ad to start earning money online with your Wix blog, make sure to click on Publish on the top right-hand side to make your changes active. For even more tips on how to make money online with Wix, make sure to check out the video on the screen right now.